On the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's five-time best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. My friends, on The Scoop, we talk about your uranium, your crypto investments, your cannabis, your gold, silver. We talk about all that good stuff, my friends. But as you know, The Scoop is for your education, your information, and your entertainment only. Not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I stressed entertainment because as these stocks explode right now, I hope you're being entertained by looking at your stock account go way up, my friends. Couple notes here, my friends. As you know, I'm an author. I write these books, and you should be deep into your books right now, especially investing in gold today without being cheated. Those baby knockouts in there right now, you should definitely be looking on page, where are the baby knockouts on this book here, this particular book? They're all in there. Just make sure you get your copy, get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook on Amazon.com. You've been asking me, where can I get your book? Amazon.com, or you can go to your local library and you can get those, my friends. You should be cherry picking while that market is correcting right now, while the gold and silver market is kind of tamed down. It's not running up right now. Some of those stocks have corrected, especially our baby knockouts. Junior silver mining stocks ready to explode, possible 1,000% gains, my friends. Some people are over 1,000% already. So these stocks right now have corrected. They've gone down a little bit, and it's time for you to jump all over those. Yeah, we already know our cannabis stocks are moving very well. Marijuana today, vanadium and uranium tomorrow. Companies are getting early hold and grow rich. That's all you need. You guys, we don't chase them, we replace them, right? And right now, some of these marijuana stocks are heated up and they're really hot. But the uranium stocks are super duper hot also. But what about the Bitcoin stocks? I'm talking about the crypto stocks associated with Bitcoin and Ethereum, my friends. Investing and understanding Bitcoin, my friends, this particular little book right here by Mickey D here, DEE, this book has made people a whole lot of money. Cryptocurrency stocks to buy now, no wallet, no problem. If you can recall, it was just a few short months ago when I said, well, after this happening, which stocks are going to survive? And I mentioned those stocks in there. Every one of these books has a list of stocks in it. That's a cheat sheet for you. And a lot of you have made money because you've told me, and which is fine. $200,000-$300,000 richer because of the scoop and listening to me. But you're not coming through with the other end, guys. You're not using PayPal. You're not buying enough books. Who was the guy that told me of Hive blockchain, which we all backed the truck up on at the beginning of the year at under 10 cents? He said if it got to $1, he would buy 100 books. Where are you, Mr. Big Mouth, that said you were going to do something and break off the scoop and you were going to buy 100 books and donate them to different organizations? Why don't you, since you've listened to the scoop and made that kind of dough, which a lot of us have, but see, when you put your mouth out there and stuff, why don't you go ahead and wherever you are, why don't you buy 100 of those books and go to the inner city somewhere and deliver those books to some school or some organization? Why don't you do NAACP or some organization? I'm not talking about Black Lives Matter or something because it's all spread out and they've hijacked that already. But why don't you go to one of these organizations and give them and donate some books to them? You know, why don't you do that? Because Hive is, I gave the last call at $1. Hive now is it's going to be approaching $2 and $3 and $5. So you're making money hand over fist. So with those 800,000 shares or so that you had, and I don't mind if you sold some because I've sold some of mine and taken some profits, but I'm saying break off some of that, buy some books, and do the right thing, my friends, and do what you have to do. Because clearly, and this is not directed to some, to Merrick or to Izzy or to Conrad or C or anybody that's really taking care of PayPal and you're doing your thing, my friends. And this is the honor system that we're on. This is not, those guys are taking care of their business. But there's hundreds of more of you that have been broken off, and you're not doing the justice to the scoop, my friends. You're not doing justice. Buy 5 books and give them to family members. Do your thing, my friends. I'm talking. This is an educational show, entertainment and education. You guys are being very, very much entertained because listen to me. This Mexico trade has been delayed. Yeah, I told you that the Mexican government was going to delay. They've delayed it until February. That's the announcement here. There's not a big thing there. You know, we're going to enjoy all of these bulls as they are. You know, as I promised you at the beginning of the year, I said we're going to have raging bull markets in all these areas, uranium and cryptos and cannabis and gold and silver. We're going to have raging bull markets, my friends. And we're on the cusp of all of them doing their thing right now. We've got catalysts for all of them. The uranium market is turmoil right now with COVID is just, they're closing mines again. The upward trajectory of those moving averages on uranium will be following the stocks because the stocks moved first, as we said, and now the uranium price is going to follow that, my friends. A lot of things that we thought were years out are not years out. It's right on our doorstep, my friends. Marijuana Day, vanadium, and uranium tomorrow. Make sure you get a copy of this. Your family's financial future may depend on what you do. Because you know this market, you know what's going on. You know, you guys, look at our lottery picks. Look at DMG blockchain, for instance. Look at where that is right now. It was 3 or 4 cents, 5 cents maybe in April 20th. Take a look at the video. I said, hey, this is our lottery pick in the crypto area. DMG blockchain. It's what, 42 cents or so late in the day? Today. I mean, these things, I mean, you can't say enough of some of you have been very patient. You know, you've been honest with yourself. You've been honest with your account. You haven't gone too far overboard on these things. You've been entertained with the money that you've made, and you can entertain your family and do what you want to do. Remember, originally, all we were going to do, guys, is we were going to, guys and gals, I don't mean, sometimes I'll say, like the other day I said secretary and I said she. A secretary can be a male or female. It doesn't matter, my friends. But these things here are there for the taking, my friends. And the Mexico legalization trade is right there. But my friends, there are 2 new explosive areas that are just around the corner. And I'm trying to see how I'm going to deal with this. Is there pennies right now? Pennies. I'm trying to see how I'm going to deal with this with the new year coming up on us. So I don't know if things are going to be the same. They may be different, you know, and I appreciate what you guys are saying. You know, Dexter and Reese and Demetrius, you know, you guys are excellent comments. Ronald and all of you, thanks for your support and stuff. Now, I'm not signing off, but there's got to be some changes because you know, there's things going on, man. And, you know, you got big multi countries and companies jumping off. And we got the inside scoop on what's going on with a lot of these companies. And we know it's just a matter of time, like the cryptos. It's just a matter of time before some of these stocks blow up. And we've been cherry picking ours, like Hive Blockchain, which has done phenomenally well, you know, Riot, like Marathon, you know, like Hut 8. I remember doing a show when all of these stocks were under $1. It wasn't very long ago. They're all under $1. I said, well, I can't wait to do the show when they're all over $5. So we'll see how that goes. I hope I can do that show pretty soon. I hope you guys are doing very, very well. I don't want you to lose it all. So I want you to have a plan and set stops and do whatever it is you have to do. Because let me tell you, Bitcoin is a monster. You know, Ethereum is a monster. These stocks go up really, really fast, and then they come down really, really fast. So it's important for Scoop subscribers to know that and not get caught up in all this hype and everything around what's going on. You and I know Bitcoin. A drawdown to about 15,000 would not hurt. We're over 20,000 now. A drawdown of 16,000 would not hurt us long-term investors, because take it or leave it, we're going to stay with our plays anyway. So we're there. Long live you Hive blockchain millionaires in the making. I don't want to say billionaire, but a couple of you do. If you're still holding 300,000 or 400,000 shares of Hive, you do have the chance of being a billionaire, I believe, one day, if you keep holding. Congratulations to all of you. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But I'm going to stop telling people to subscribe, because we're going to do something different here coming up, I believe, the new year. We're going to do something different. But what can stop that is book orders. You guys, let's go ahead and get these books. Let's get it out there to our family members and friends and all. Let's make this thing happen, you guys. Let's really, really do that. Is there anything else I wanted to say to you? Other than get your orders in for your books for Christmas and the holiday season, and ho, and enjoy all these bull markets. Be looking, my friends, spying on the gold and silver market while it's gone down a little bit. Spy on that market. Cherry pick those stocks in the books. Cherry pick the best, my friends, that are out there right now. Cherry pick. I'm telling you, you will do very, very well. Also, they're putting off right now just to get the correct stuff they need to get for when I'm talking about the correct stuff. I'm talking about the Mexico cannabis trade. They're trying to get the correct wording and all that, guys. It's going to happen. One of those stocks has gone up, my friends, and it's going to do very, very well. It's going to be the leader, in my opinion. At 4 cents an ounce, it's got to be a leader. The others at 6 and 7, they're not going very far. Back the truck up on the former president, El Presidente of Mexico. Back the truck up at under 30 cents USD. I'm not your stockbroker. I'm not your money manager. But my friends, that's advice that is very, very sound and very, very good advice. Also, I did speak, and I told you in my last, I spoke with the CEO of that other company that's got Barry on the end. That company, my friends, back the frickin' truck up. Back the truck up. I'm telling you, this video, if you don't see this video until 2021, 2022, I'm telling you, while these things are pennies, back the truck up. Back the truck up, my friends. And you're going to do very, very well. Believe me, I'm telling you, I ain't tripping. It's a good day. Do what you got to do. Bitcoin goes up and Bitcoin comes down. Okay? So if we get to 21, 22, and there's a little correction, don't jump out of the window, because I'm telling you, it's going to happen right now. Right now. I'm telling you, right now, it's going to happen. So, my friends, enjoy the gains, lock things in, have a plan. We're talking uranium, we're talking cryptos, we're talking about our cannabis, we're talking about our gold and silver. We're going to have a big 2021. The bulls are running just like the scoop said they would be running, my friends. The bulls are running. Remember that? Megan, you remember that? People were talking about, I got some love out there somewhere. People were talking about, we're not going to have a seasonal trade. Santa's not going to come this year. Santa's been missing the last 2 years. Santa does not, third year in a row, Santa does not strike out, guys. Santa will go 2 years, but on that third year, Santa will show up. And Santa has showed up big this year, guys. Take your profits. That's not a bad thing. Dwindle it down. That's not a bad thing, my friends. You will do exceptionally well in this area. And, I just got love for you. Thank you guys for your patience, for hanging in there. You guys deserve to be as rich as you are, my friends. Your accounts deserve to be as fat as they are. I know they're on swole, baby. You got accounts on swole. Just take care of your small work that you got to do. Take care of the scoop, man, and the scoop will take care of you. Get those books. We're cherry picking right now because the gold and silver stocks have gone down. Let's cherry pick those stocks, my friends. Cherry pick right now. Of course, uranium is right there. Those 3 uranium stocks I gave you the other day, those 3 sleepers, do I like? I mean, they're not my favorite picks out there. Guys, come on. You know, my favorite stocks are right here. I've been talking about for a while. These are the cream of the crop in here, especially those combo stocks, those 3 combo stocks. They're the cream of the crop. John, and some of the, oh, come on, guys. Those are the cream of the crop there. But those 3 I gave you will go up in sympathy with a uranium price going up. That's the deal. Love you. God bless you. I'm gonna spend some time today with some family members and stuff. I'm gonna give them some books and I'm gonna read to them. That's what I'm gonna do today. Love you. God bless you. Take care of yourself, guys. It's been a great day for trading. Enjoy the rest of the week. It's been a great week. If we do correct, we may correct the Bitcoin price. My friends, Ethereum price may correct. We're getting a little lofty, but I'm just holding real tight to Hive blockchain. That's what I'm holding on to, real tight. And I'm trading in and out of the others. That's what I'm doing. That's my playbook. What's yours? Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.